This morning on Client's Garage, we're going to be taking a look at this regulator off this propane Generac generator. The issue was, as soon as you turn the gas on from the tank, you could hear it bleeding through. So I pull the high side of this regulator apart, and you can see this rubber, the rubber seal or seat popped out, and it was not sealing. So basically, I was doing some research on this before I tore this all apart. That's a very, very common issue with these. Looks like there's a little bit of adhesive on here. That adhesive failed. This thing dropped out, and you could even see where this was sitting against it. So what I'm going to do is clean this up, glue it back in, put it back together. So anyone else has this generator? Simple fix. It's about a 20-minute job. As always, have fun, stay safe.